Hey everyone, welcome back to the Channel Build Mystery. Today we're kicking off the installation process of Sculptform click-on battens, a beautiful, modern wall feature that instantly upgrades any space. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a first-timer, this step-by-step guide will help you get started the right way. Start by measuring the height and width of your wall. Mark out the batten layout using a pencil or chalk line. Planning is critical. It ensures symmetrical spacing and minimizes material waste. Ensure your wall is clean, dry, and smooth. Remove any dust or uneven surfaces. If you're mounting over drywall or concrete, make sure you're using the right fixings. Next, install the Sculptform mounting tracks, horizontally or vertically based on your design. Use a level to ensure they're straight. These tracks are what allow the battens to simply click into place. This is the fun part. Once your track is in place, align the batten and press it firmly into the track until it clicks. Repeat the process down the wall, checking for even spacing. Once all battens are in place, do a final check for alignment. Clean the battens with a soft cloth and admire your work. Modern, sleek, and professional. All in a day's work. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY and design tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy building!